Hey, what's up guys, we are back with another video and we are in the Honda. I know I didn't really show this vehicle much. I do have a video with the bags installed, but right now, sorry for the wind noise, but we have a new part that just came in for the 340. We're about to go home and check that out to get that installed, of course, but I just wanted to show y'all the Honda a little bit. As you know, on the G35 stocks, painted in white. I just use these for just like the daily driven. I have other wheels, which is probably going to be right here in the top right corner. But overall, this is the Honda. Not really much done to it, but we are about to get on this road, head to the house to get this installed. Man, I tell you, my windshield on the inside is dirty. A little too dirty, or however. But yeah, y'all leave in the comments below on what I should do. Should I do coils or should I do springs on the BMW? That cold start. But of course, we have here CTS air intake. I did not go with the front grill mount. I can smell the absolute fumes from that cat delete. But outside of that, let's go ahead and get this install started. So now we have everything out the box, the heat shield, the piping, the clamps and everything like that, and the filter. Let's now get to uninstalling the intake. So I used a 7 because down here there is a clamp and it's kind of facing the front of the vehicle, so you can't really use a flathead to get in there. So you can just use this, move this to the side, loosen it, and then you should be able to pull it off. So after you just basically loosen this and pull up on it out, I just put something in here for now while we had transferred the sensor to the new one. So we took these, put the longer ones in these two, and the shorter one here. We took the 3 little clamps and put it on the heat shield there, and just put it on this railing, and then this will go right there. And obviously I still have to tighten this. Then after that, we're going to put the piping in there. Okay, so now the intake is in. I had to skip a couple parts, but I have the 2 clamps right there, the rest all right there. But now we're gonna start it up, let it warm up a bit, and then get these sound clips. So I'm about to get a couple flyby videos, just small ones, just so you can hear the intake on the outside. But overall, it is way louder. Way louder than before. I can hear the turbo whistle, the flutter, just everything 10 times more. To wrap things up, that is the install of, CTS intake on a 340i. It definitely does justice. Like, it's just 10 times louder. You can just hear the whistle, the turbo sounds. Obviously, pairing the intake with the downpipe just makes everything way much more louder. Other than that, that's all for this video on the intake install on a B58 340i.